The most expensive car insurance you'll ever buy is when you're young.
It's not even full coverage, you know. It's pretty much the limited, bare-down car insurance, and it's $125 a month.
So what steps do you take when your teen becomes a driver?
You could be paying a lot more when you put that kid on your policy. So step one in saving money is to keep him off your policy as long as you possibly can.
That might mean keeping him on a learner's permit for as long as the law allows, because some insurers don't require coverage on a permit driver. And think older cars for younger drivers. Why? Because premiums on older cars are less expensive. Try to get your kid covered only on the least expensive car in the household, and check insurance prices before you buy any car.
People don't realize that theft is a big part of their insurance premium, and for these little hot cars that these kids want, just because it's a great car doesn't mean it's going to be there in the morning when they wake up. It might be gone from their driveway.
Another thing that helps is to ask for discounts. Good driver, multiple car, driving programs, and let's not forget those grades.
Our good student discount is about 10%, which saves tremendously on their premium, and it's for having a 3.0 or better on their grade points.
One last thing, honesty will get you the best policy. Don't forget to put your kids down when they do become of driving age, because if they have an accident, your policy could be voided, you could get charged for back premiums. For Money Talks, I'm Stacy Johnson.